I don't see kids, bro.
Okie dokie. Get my calls. Okay, sí. Bueno. Oh, they're already shooting. Alright, let's set these up real quick. This might be pretty fun. I'm gonna get on the right here. Don't. Oh. Yeah, they're gonna be close. Aquí? All good?
Okay.
Todo bien? Sí?
No te falta nada.
Falta nada? Does your phone work out here?
No. Tenés todo.
Oh, listo.
Okay. Bye bye.
All right. Adios. Gracias. Gracias.
Gracias. Duke.
Holy cow.
Shoot.
Look at that. Oh. Jeez. Oh my. Ryder, this is going to be sick footage. This shouldn't take very long. I know, I thought we were hoed, but Pache told me this morning that I was like, I Google translated gear coming in. Oh gosh, dang it. Okay. Shit, you got the big ones, huh? Oh, on the left. Would like to be patient, but I don't know how this spot's gonna work out, you know? They're coming in early. Got a little movement in the decoys for a sec here. I need to settle down. Okay, I can shoot sitting down. All right, one down. Right here on the left,
Like that too.
Uh-huh.
Oh, come in hot in front.
Okay, here we go. Nice. Sweet. It's so erratic, man. It's hard to. I love that though.
Yeah.
Just wait for the ones up front. That's my biggest goal today.
Yeah.
It's hard to want to shoot those ones over there, but up front. Out front. Good. Jeez. All right, two on the left. There we go.
Good call.
Oh gosh, I need to reload. I'm gonna slow down. How many have I got? Good grief. I'm gonna try to only shoot a few more teal. You want that one?
Yep.
Ooh.
Watch these third.
I'm just gonna save like 5 for.
Right here out front.
You're kidding.
Doing one shot.
Oh, isn't that gorgeous? All right, if you're watching this, I'm gonna take my time a little bit better here. Pick out the. I want to pick out the right shot. That's too much. Here we go. On the right.
Yep. go.
Nice. That's pretty. That's pretty. Yeah, if they're not right here, I'm not gonna pull the trigger. Just because I like when they're sitting down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, gosh. It's hard to see those low ones. The only reason I want to wait a little longer is just because I feel like we'll get a couple big ducks. Maybe I shoot. Here's a couple on the right. Brazilian. Oh my gosh, they land so quick.
I'm gonna try to only shoot a few more teal.
Holy cow. Hope everything's working. Gosh, we just piled in here this morning. Yeah, honestly, it might be it though. I might just shoot. Here we go. Oh yeah. Up front.
Yep.
On the left. All right. Sorry, that one.
Oh, you're good.
That one popped up right to me. Okay. Heck yeah. To what?
Which is this easy?
I know, this is insane. Alright, I've got 2 more. Should we hold out for something cool or keep shooting teal?
Yeah.
This is one of those days, guys. We're down here in Argentina, and it's very calm here. I ordered some quick koys to get down here. They've been held up in customs for 4 days, really trying to get them, but really calm water, flat water. The ducks are going to be kind of erratic left and right, not landing in decoys. The spinners are kind of the same deal. Some will come to the spinners, some will just go left and right. But the quick koys, I'm going to pop up a little video of them. They are 5 decoys on a motor attached to like a pelican case battery that you throw as your anchor, and they swim back and forth, all 5 decoys. If you guys are interested, they are extremely durable. They are field proven. They spent 2 years perfecting this motor, this system, so it doesn't fail on you. Customer service is amazing. Highly recommend Quick Koys. Go to quickkoys.com. Check them out. If anything, check them out. I think they are a game-changing product for duck hunters that hunt public land or that hunt ponds a lot, or where it's not windy very often, where the water is just flat like it is here. These Quick Koys are an absolute game changer. You can use my code COLE10 to get free shipping, I believe. So check them out. Highly recommend. The ring teal, man, they are awesome. When they fly in, you see this white patch on their wings and this red on their back. They got this black around their head. Super awesome. Speckled chest. Just crazy looking birds down here. Hunting down here is like when you're back home, or your first second you're hunting, you haven't shot too many species, you pick up your first mallard, you pick up your first drake pintail. That's the feeling I get, the rush I get from shooting these species down here. Being down here for a little bit, we've shot these already, but still when we pick them up, it's just an amazing feeling. Oh, here we go. Ring teal beat down so far. Maybe a couple Brazilian teal. I'm gonna do some picking up, get some of that. I'm gonna pick a few up, get a little.
Okay, one coming in.
Oh my gosh. I'm hung up. Gosh, sorry. Out front. Might as well dust them. Sweet. Man, that feels good. I love those left to right shots. All right, I'm gonna slow down a little bit. We've shot a bunch of teal. The bigger ducks don't really fly for another probably 20 minutes or so, but we're gonna wait it out. I'll just let Ryder sit here and give you guys a little montage of these ducks that come in while we're waiting. Do a little bit of cleaning up real quick. That's so cool. Oh, I love these ducks. They're so pretty. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty one there. Oh, so cool, man. Never realized how much bigger the Brazilians are than the ring teal till the other day. That's cool.
They're the one with the tail. Oh, right up front.
2 of them. Oh, that. Ooh. I want to wait, but I don't. I don't know if Rosie's will land on this or not. Let me shoot this single. All right, one more. All right, I'm gonna shoot one of these. Those are ducks. Out front. Oh, God, that was just perfect. Oh. I love when they go. I want to right up front, right up front. That was pretty cool. They're landing in that rice field over there that we hunted in the last video. Heck yeah. Well, now what? Oh my gosh. Wow, all done. That was way too fast. You guys know how teal hunts work. You don't get them early when you can, and there's no other ducks on the pond. It's probably all you're gonna get is the early flight. We did it though. Still got coffee in my cantina. I guess we're gonna get picked up here. Get some clips. Probably go back to the house and cook some breakfast, clean some ducks, cook some duck. We got Nico. I think Nico wanted to cook for us today. I'm definitely gonna want some eggs this morning though. Haven't had any eggs in a few days. Gotta eat your eggs in the morning. those ring teal are hilarious, man. So funny. Okie dokie. What a day, man. It is a rush hunting down here. Absolute rush. If your decoys aren't moving and 3 or 4 ducks land on the other side of the pond, every duck that flies in is going to land with those 3 or 4 ducks on the other side of the pond. So that's what these quick coys are trying to replicate, is ducks swimming, moving, water moving, live decoys. Quick coys does that for you on these calm days like this. Oh yeah, check this out. Ryder and I are going to do this from now on if it's just him and I. I'll sit in the front, he can sit back here. Little box blind. Looks freaking sick. That looks gnarly. Oh. Muy bien. Oh, nice. Ryder, you're rigged, dude. Coffee, camera rig, backpack full of gear, drone bag. Got even the Crocs dangling. Hip waders dangling. Headphones dangling. Heck yeah, let's go eat. Had a baby. He's good at shooting, he's good at filming, and he's a straight up athlete. Oh, watch out! He almost falls. Ryder Britt. Legend. All right. Legend.
Hey, some Christmas music?
They were straight up relaxing in here.
I got me. Thank you. Creo que lo comas, no te pongas a jugar.
Holy drift test. I don't know what we just signed up for, right? Little midday activity. Midday activity. It started to rain a bunch, and we've got about a 10-mile road to Blacktop. We've made it about a mile, about a half a mile already. And we are swerving and drifting, and wish us the best here. We got to make it to the operations center, drop off some shells, pick up some stuff, and make it back. It'll probably take us an hour and a half to get there, hour and a half back. Wouldn't doubt if we are pushing this out of a ditch. I'm gonna push. Get to the blacktop. Step 2 would be picking up the gear. Step 3 is making it back. Hopefully, step 2 isn't pushing the truck out of a ditch or anything like that. But no.
Finito.
I'll stay tuned. Marcelo, NASCAR.
You push the brake, you're done.
No brake.
No brakes.
All gas, no brakes.
No brake, no seatbelt, no helmet, nothing. Just mate.
Just casually drinking mate while we're on this trip. We seem to have a little bit more gravel on the road than closer to the lodge, so I'm feeling good about it for now. There is a massive wet spot up here that it may be no bien. When I first we almost did a 180. When I first got here in the van, we got stuck, and it is raining a lot more than that time. So cross your fingers. Met up with Hefe. He's trying to reverse. There's someone already stuck in the spot I was talking about. So we're going to try to pull them out, it looks like. Yeah, they're sliding all over the place. Wish me luck. Hefe got us out? Good grief. I don't think we're going to operations center anymore. You don't think we're going to make it? ¿Dónde está? Did he say we're not going to make it?
Hay que venir mirando si aquí están ellos.
No say nada. I have no clue what we're doing. Are we going to operations center?
No, we are not. No,
Okay. Okay, that was it. I guess we were just getting the clients.
No.
Hopefully we're getting the clients for the lodge, right?
Yeah.
Woo-wee. All good.
Vienen, pero de costado vienen.
I need to take a shit right now. This doctor. ¿Eh? No, espera. Vamos a preguntar. Vamos.
Vamos.
¿Cómo?
Agua. Ya sé, no te calenté, no te calenté. No te calenté.
Side mirror.
Agua.
Más agua. Hey, this dog, I think.
If you would like to book a trip to South America, check out BERNARDISHunting.com. We will do everything in our power to get you to the lodge, no matter what. 100% effort. If we make it first, I guess.
¿Eh?
He's having to tell him where to put the side mirror because it keeps moving around. Oh no. They're going to try to get both vehicles in the center of the road. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. These Toyota Hiluxes, diesel, manual trucks here in South America are insane. We need these in the U.S. Someone write up a petition to get these in the U.S. That'd be sick. Been over in 2 hours. It's been 2 hours.
Muy pesada.
Back on top. We are back on top.
Sí, sí, sí.
Oh my goodness. Made it a long ways that time. Strapping back up. It's a deeper ditch there.
Finito.
Hey! Not the wheel.
The wheel's not moving, is it?
The one wheel is. This one's not moving.
I think it's time for me to suit up.
Well, we're going to change tires now. We are going to put that tire in that truck. Did it hands me money? I don't know if we have to pull up this. So much change to do. Yeah. Oh God, watch out. If you kill a Toyota, you are...
I found an extra full battery.
There you go. A little update. It's been about 2.5 hours since departure, and we are still at it. We've got about how many kilometers to the house?
15 miles.
7.5 miles or so left. Client still has slick tires on their car, so we might be here all night.
Then we got mate.
You want?
Sí.
Who want? Do you want some?
Sí, señor.
Is it a gift or is yours?
It's yours.
No, you this.
Huh?
They give to you or?
Hector bought them.
Ah, I give to you.
No, I'm borrowing them.
Ah, okay.
Just using them.
Okay. How many?
I didn't bring any waders or tall boots.
Yeah, very fine. I love drum.
Somebody give this man a job in the U.S. He wants to come so bad.
Fine.
for you.
No, you don't want to do that.
For America 1 year. I don't see shit, bro. Hey, you see where it's going?
Oh, they're in the back. ¡Mira cómo estamos!
Just pelted by mud.
Oh no, está todo
Oh no, Johnny! I couldn't have picked a worse day not to wear a hat.
Ay, la vale un poco ahí. What do you need? A brush?
Brush? Brush. Oh, thank you.
What does the top of my head look like? Well, it all came out now.
Nah.
Just mud, just. I didn't know y'all were blacked out in here.
Oh, dude, nothing.
I'm gonna get out and push. I'm gonna push. Well, we might slip off in the ditch then.
No, no va a salir yo.
Welcome to Argentina, Arkansas. Arkansas, Argentina. Jeez, dude. Jeez. Oh! As you can tell, we still haven't made it. And our cameras are in the truck, so this is my iPhone. We'll see y'all in a little bit. Oh gosh.
I know.
We made it. But she. Well. Watch out.
Oh!
We in?
Yeah, sí.